Hey guys, Garden Entity here. I hope you are all having a sunny day today.
In this video, I will show you how I clean up the flower beds at the beginning of the season.
So the lavenders are already nice and tidy, ready for the season. But we have still a few more things to tackle here, like these dry alyssums. These need to go. So we have the Veronicas here. These also need pruning because they have lots of dry stems. Let's see what else. Oh, the irises. The irises already started coming up, so they need a good cleaning. Oh, there was a lobelia here last year. And we have a few miniature roses. I will show you also how I prune these. And a few more perennials. We have echinopsis back there, more irises, aconidiums, and we have a horrible looking grass here.
So let's start cleaning up.